If you want to change the font style on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit, and then you want to open Display and Brightness. In here, if you scroll down, we have two font options, the font and the font settings option. Now in this case, we can go to font settings in order to choose one of these installed fonts that you already have. And you can also tap on these three dots, or instead of tapping on these three dots, you can just simply choose font in here. This allows you to open the themes app with fonts category, and then over here you can try to find a font that you might want to use. And most of the time it's actually paid. Sometimes you can actually find some free fonts as well. I'm not sure why sometimes it shows free content, sometimes it doesn't, but for example, if you go to new, as you can see, we can find a bunch of different apps that are also free. So let's say we're gonna choose this one over here. We can tap on the free button in order to get the new font, and then of course we can apply it immediately after that, so we can change the font style like that as well. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.